you also not getting scripts? Nobody's asking you to do television, or you're...
ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा.
What does that mean?
That you might
वक्त
see
ही
him on
बताएगा.
television.
That you might be back on television.
You know, Fawad really liked Mere Paas Tum Ho. Did you talk about that in any of the interviews? I wonder agar Mere
No, but
Paas...
hey, let's talk about it now. Okay.
I thought it was
Would
like
you have
the-
done that? Adnan's role or Humayun's role?
Would I have done Adnan's role or Humayun's role? I think I cannot compete with their performances. Not at all.
No, आप
That's
कुछ
what
अलग
we were
करते हैं.
asking though,
उन्होंने
yeah.
बहुत अच्छा किया.
But no, as a viewer मैं बात करूँगा, watching it, मुझे लगा कि it was very well written. हाँ, उसमें कुछ लोगों को शायद वो एक dialogue है जिससे तकलीफ हुई. Having said that, the way that it was made, the pacing, the music, the performance, the direction, हर चीज जो है ना जिस तरह होता है ना, it fit like a glove. And I was glued. Like मैं because मैं अब जब TV देखता हूँ, ठीक है ना, and after a very long time, now I have started. Up until maybe a year ago, I started watching TV. My wife watches the serials. तो जब serials लगते हैं तो when she's watching it तो फिर मैं देखता हूँ, and then maybe there are a few that I just go out of my way to watch. Like
Yeah.
I'll watch them. तो ये जो recommended lists आ रही होती तो उसमें से फिर मैंने देखना शुरू किया. And then after the first episode, you see, the one thing that I also liked about Mere Paas Tum Ho is it was not wall to wall music, which is like उस तरह की edit भी मुझे जो है पसंद आती है कि जिसमें आपका wall to wall music scene में नहीं चल रहा. It comes in and goes. It's
Right.
used as an instrument to tell the story as
Right.
opposed to filling the background silence. Because मुझे लगता है silence बहुत जरूरी है, जो हमारे पुराने दौर के टेलीविजन में ज्यादा हुआ
जो
करता
I
था.
think जिंदगी गुजारे में बिल्कुल नहीं थी.
There was music wall to wall. Again, that does not take away from Zindagi Guzare, but
no,
I
but-
enjoy this approach.
Fawad, nothing can take away from Zindagi Gulzar.
No, it can't.
It's got
No, it
a
can't.
die-hard following. I mean,
Yeah.
it's like
No,
insane.
I thought it was very well written, well executed, and a very cute serial.
Yeah.
But my preference is, you know, where all the elements are used in moderation.
Right.
So वो चीज़ मुझे उसकी बहुत अच्छी लगी. And yeah.
So other than the story for Berserk, जो कि लोगों को 6 episodes में पता चल जाएगी, there are other elements that really add value to it, like the cinematography, for example. Oh my
Wazmi.
God. You look at those trees and that landscape and you're like hit by that spectacle. So वो भी एक next level है. So tell me about that process a little bit, the direction and how the shoot was done, the filming was done. This was Gilgit Chitral? Gilgit.
Gilgit-Baltistan.
Gilgit-Baltistan, yeah. Tough to go up there and shoot and stay there for how long? Just tell us a little bit about the process.
What, 5 weeks?
Yeah, I
The
think
team was there for 2 months, and I think we were there for
And not in winter, I would
But I
think.
went and I came, I think. Yeah.
September, October. It was just the last few days were unbearable. And there were a lot of night scenes.
Yeah.
तो बहुत ठंड लगती थी, but otherwise, वही, like I said last time, just the being in the mountains, a different kind of energy takes over when you're surrounded in nature and mountains.
I keep looking for horror stories, but nobody's giving me any. During
कि
the shoot.
पहाड़ों में कुछ
पहाड़ों में
Oh, there was an incident.
Tell now, please.
But अब exclusive नहीं रहा, मैंने एक और interview में
कोई
भी
बात
उसका
नहीं.
तस्करा किया.
कोई बात नहीं.
So हमारे ना across जिस घर में हम shoot कर रहे थे, जो palace था itself, right? जो उनका summer home था. तो वहाँ पे set लगे हुए थे ऊपर वाले floor में और नीचे वाले floor में. और फिर पीछे the complex continues, जिसमें the families had shifted पीछे वाले कमरों में, which are the newer blocks. This was like the oldest block. जहाँ
You
पे
know
हम
about the
shoot कर रहे थे.
Mir of Hunza's house?
Yeah.
हाँ, okay.
So, रात को when is like the moon was out and you could see the बादल नजर आ रहे हैं चांद की रोशनी में और पहाड़ नजर आ रहे हैं, there's glistening white snow and all of that stuff. So I turned and saw the house, and this is around about, I think this is past 12. I don't know if it was 3 o'clock, if it was 12 or 1, I don't remember. 3 sounds like a better number.
Yeah.
3 होता है ना? नहीं, 3 o'clock होता है.
3 o'clock is the witching hour.
3 o'clock.
Is it? Is
Yeah.
it 11:11?
No, 11:11.
It's 3, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so. Horror films मैंने 3 देखा. Anyway, the long story short was कि बिकॉज दे हैड शिफ्टेड देयर तो उस कमरे में, उन कमरों में कोई नहीं होता था, वो लॉकअप हो जाता था बिकॉज अंदर सामान सारा पड़ा हुआ था। तो रात के वक्त जो है ना, एक कमरे में पहले लेफ्ट लाइक एट द वेरी एंड ऑफ द हाउस, मोर्स कोड की तरह ना लाइट ऑन होती है, फ्लिकर होती है, ऑफ होती है। मैंने कहा एक दफ़ा को फ्लक्चुएशन हुई, फिर ऑन होती है, ऑफ होती है, फिर उसके बाद द अदर एंड, द अदर रूम एट द एंड व्हिच वाज द डाइनिंग हॉल,
I don't know.
वहां पे
this.
ऑन होती है, ऑफ होती है, एंड दिस कंटिन्यूज फॉर एटलीस्ट लाइक 5-6 minutes. I even have it on video. I'll show it to you afterwards. I thought that was somewhat supernatural. I mean, I didn't see
तो ये तो
forms
आपको
of-
चित्राल में भी हुआ था?
चित्राल में तो मैं बताता हूँ क्या हुआ था। चित्राल में तो we were in our
इन्हीं को होते हैं।
rooms, और ऊपर जो है ना लाइक बाथरूम की रोशनदान है। I don't have to tell you what I was doing in the bathroom.
Okay.
But I was minding my own
Own
business.
Yeah.
And then I heard some, like, as if like a heavy body was
Allah.
crawling on the tin roof, and this is what I heard.
Could
Like,
be
if
a
you can hear it on
cat.
the mic,
Could be a
I heard like
cat.
a.
हाँ, you could hear heavy breathing, crawling,
Oh, you too-
scratching.
you heard it
I
as
know,
well?
he told us this.
Then I went to, and उस रात को 4 कमरों में
Light
लोगों के
गई,
चार्जर्स
ठप
फट गए।
करके, हाँ, मेरे
Chargers
कमरे में
फट गए।
फटा था।
So
Same
I
thing.
heard like a crackling in the wall. It sounded like insects in the wall first. Because apparently it was the crackling of electricity. And then it went, and then the charger started again. But that heavy breathing just sounded like, it was weird. I had to call one of those people जो reception पे थे, and मैंने कहा मुझे लगता है कि ऊपर कोई या तो जानवर है या कोई चीज़ है जो खड़ी हुई है।
उन्होंने कहा
So,
ऐसा अक्सर ही लोग ये
चित्राल में
complain
मैंने
करते हैं।
इंसिडेंट सुने कि apparently, so I mean maybe these are stories and,
Yeah.
and what not, but वो जो क्या होता है touching the sky type जो
Like वहाँ के पिक्चर पे
बहुत
ही।
होते हैं। हाँ?
Yeti.
पिक्चल बेरी नहीं,
Yeti types.
Yetis नहीं, you know the what is it called, उसका क्या नाम जो होता है उर्दू में,
Pitchellberry?
tall man जो होता है,
Jinn.
the skin क्या कहते हैं, skin something, not skin walker, जो एक इंटरनेट पे एक वो
Oh.
वो भी बन गई थी, myth बन गई थी, one that you keep looking up and it keeps going up to the sky.
Oh, don't know.
So उस तरह के जो है creatures का मैंने किसी ने बताया था कि यार, और बुखार चढ़ जाता है, बाल सफेद हो जाते हैं।
हैं?
Now that could be just story, but this incident happened. I'm
This
telling you.
happened.
Yeah. So
So
if
did
you're
you
looking
want
for a
to-
thrill,
did you want to
if
run
you're-
the next day?
If you're looking for a thrill, go there.
Go there. If you're looking
Yeah.
for a haunting, like go there.
And you'll have fun.
You'll have
We even
fun.
came up with a story for a new horror series actually.
Huh.
Like how
Like that,
each
it's the perfect setting for a horror film.
how each crew member dies.
Okay. Nice.
We
Nice.
start in the middle of the story.
Huh.
It's the wrap of the series,
Huh.
and then after that, each character, from the director to the actors, dies a very particular death. तो जो उनकी सबसे जो एक annoying habit होती है, या उनका जो सबसे बड़ा अपना एक sin होता है एक तरह से, you know, something that's like a bad habit.
Right.
They die according to that, like they die according to the 7 deadly sins. So they all die in different circumstances.
And you came up with the story while you were
We came up with the story in 15 minutes, in 20 minutes.
Zabardast. Zabardast.
And there's one left behind, and that was
Who was left?
Zainab was left behind, and she's saved by farm. These are हम internal conversation कर रहे हैं. You can just
But
cut
very
this out.
dark
No, it's fine.
horror story
Yeah,
themes.
yeah.
Yes, Fawad
अच्छा,
comes
so
up with.
barzakh is that वो वक्त है जबकि रूहें जा रही हैं and they're like in an
Purgatory.
purgatory, right? एक किस्म का है. मगर वहाँ किसी वाकई ये tradition है associated with चित्राल.
बरज़क का
हाँ.
Tradition?
There's something
कैलाश
that
में?
happens there. या कैलाश में.
Like a full moon festival. वो क्या है वो
This
dinner?
equinoxes, उनके
Because
summer or
that-
winter
that is-
equinoxes
that
होते
is-
हैं.
Equinoxes.
That does come into the narrative, right?
What's the word? The dinner with an M? Mehergan.
Mehergan is the event, but
Is
that's
the
in
event.
Hunza. That's not in Chitral.
हाँ,
मगर
ये
that
हुंजा
has
है.
been used in Barzakh.
हम
चित्राल
कभी
अलग
चित्राल
है,
की
हम
बात
लोग
करते हैं,
अभी-
but हुंजा-
But actually हुंजा में बरज़ख है.
They believe in fairies and shamans
हाँ
as well.
ये ना
Yes.
ये
Yeah.
वहाँ पे है tradition. So tell us about that. कि it
Encounter
actually
नहीं हुआ, but they
exists
said
or-
कि shamans होते हैं.
पहाड़ों में होते हैं fairies की कहानीज and other supernatural
Okay.
beings, and maybe because of the altitude, maybe because of lack of oxygen, and maybe क्योंकि वहाँ वादियों में
Hallucinating.
पहाड़ों में हो सकता है. So
Hypoxia.
there's always these
Okay. And
myths and
coming back
stories.
from supernatural to reality, you both are very particular about the roles you take, and you're also particular about looking, and you know the character has to be different. Like intonation फर्क हो, हंसने का रोने का तरीका फर्क हो, style फर्क हो. यहाँ जब आप 3 project आगे पीछे कर रहे थे, were there any overlaps in the shoot? How difficult was it to maintain a character, or